sounds so good. How about a little throttle, Steve?
I feel like a proud daddy.
Yeah, you should. NR 750 Black Series. Oh. She's beautiful. She sounds apart. Sounds amazing. Horn works. Nice work. Yep, time for a test ride.